In every healthy relationship, a man must know how to keep his woman and make her feel safe and secured. Leaving the relationship to flourish on its own without putting in work will eventually cause problems in your relationship. There's the need to ensure that your woman craves your presence, and this doesn't happen by chance. In this video, we'll go over 5 ways to make any woman to constantly crave being around you. Now, before we begin, if you're new to this channel, we provide valuable insights into masculinity, self-improvement, dating lifestyles, and personal development to help you become the best version of yourself. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Now let's begin. Number 1. Spend quality time together. In as much as ignoring a woman you like can be beneficial, spending quality time with her will increase the chances of leaving memories on her mind. If this is a woman who is really interested in you, find out what she likes and make a conscious effort to stay authentic and enjoy the moment. Endeavor to make each moment you spend together worth it. Spending quality time together will make her long for you when you're away. Keep all distractions away and embrace the moment. Number 2. Stay mysterious. Most guys are talkatives and mostly have nothing to offer. If you want a woman to keep longing for you, then don't reveal too much. When you reveal too much, there will be nothing left for her to know about. Let her work for your attention. That's if she's really into you. Igniting the mystery will keep you on her mind. But remember, don't overdo it. Only release informations that are relevant at the moment. If she doesn't ask, keep quiet. Keep the mystery. Number 3. Develop the abundance mindset. In as much as you like her, don't be scared of losing her. I find a lot of guys tolerating narcissists and disrespectful women all because they feel that it's difficult starting all over again. No bro. Trash that mentality. It wouldn't help you. In as much as you think that there are no good women out there, remember that not all women are the same. You'll definitely find someone better than her when she messes up. What you don't know about is that she wants you to walk away. Yes. Women often test men, but we're not attentive enough to know when a woman is testing us. When she puts up any bad behavior, talk to her about it. If she refuses to own up, the best thing you can do is to walk away. Tolerating her bad behavior will only push her to continue exhibiting that bad behavior. In as much as most ladies don't like to be held accountable, learn to channel the relationship in the right direction. Don't be a weak man. Embrace masculinity and be a leader. She cannot manipulate a leader. Walking away will eventually make her sit up if she really wants the relationship to work. Number 4. Harness her love language. It could be words of affirmation, acts of service, receiving gifts, quality time, or physical touch. Endeavor to know what her love language is and use it to your advantage. For example, if your woman loves genuine compliments, don't hold back. I always advise guys to compliment women based on their competence or intellectual ability. You can compliment her on an achievement she attained recently and make her know how proud you are to have her in your life. Women really appreciate these little things that we often overlook, and harnessing these little things will definitely keep you on her mind when you're away. Number 5. Don't be too available. Remember, you have goals to chase. Don't center your world around her. She may like it in the early stages of the relationship, but you can't keep doing that in a long-term relationship. She expects that you have a life of your own. It shouldn't always be about her. You'll see guys canceling business appointments just to go be with a lady. Bro, that can wait. Make sure you don't put her on a pedestal. A healthy relationship is when the woman makes the chase and not you. Focus on your goals and work on achieving the best in life.
Now, if you want to become the best version of yourself, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, stay focused.